Click. This LED lights up. Where do we use it? Homes, torches, toys. Let's build our switch-controlled LED light. First, let's understand the flow. Battery sends current to switch, then LED, resistor controls the flow. We need cell holder, resistor, LED, switch, red wire, black wire. Kit for Curious Bee box link in description. Subscribe to Smart and Tiny Thinkers for more experiments. Now let's build it step by step. Take the switch and connect the red wire from battery to the switch. Take small red wire and connect the switch to the long leg of the LED. Now take the resistor and connect it to black wire of cell holder. A resistor controls the current so the LED doesn't burn out. Take one black wire and connect resistor to short leg of the LED. Turn on the switch, and wow, the LED glows. Try this at home and tell me, did your LED glow?